Hi there, these are the newly launched JBL Tune Beam 2 and they offer a very interesting set of features like PersoniFi, where you can actually shape the audio to match your personal listening. Then there's adaptive noise cancellation support, there's dual device connectivity support, over 48 hours of music playback and more, all for just 5,499. Now, I've been using these earbuds for over a week. Let me share everything in detail, the fit, the sound, and of course the calling experience, so you can decide you should buy the JBL Tune Beam 2 or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. It comes wrapped in this butter paper. Let's quickly open it up. You can see the branding right here, the image of the earbuds. You can scan the QR code and get 3 months of additional warranty. Some specifications mentioned here, some more details on the sides, as well as the app is compatible with both Android as well as iOS. Some more details at the back, and if you look closely, there is a transparent packaging. You can actually see the earbuds inside and comes with an MRP of 11,999. But don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. Let's quickly open it up. So here are the earbuds themselves and 2 extra pair of ear tips of different sizes. Then right on the top here is the case itself. Then here is some paperwork that includes the quick start guide and the warranty registration card. And finally my favorite, the flat USB-A to USB-C orange JBL charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. Well, the first thing that grabs my attention is the amazing build quality. Though plastic, it's really nice, compact, easily fits in your palm. It's also really light. The whole case with the earbuds weigh just 42 grams. Very well built. You can spot the JBL branding right in the front. There are also 3 LED lights which will show you the charging process. Towards the back, you can spot the Tune Beam 2 branding. Towards the bottom is the USB-C port to charge the case. Now let's open up the case with one hand and let's see if it opens. There you go. Oh wow, that looks really nice. You can also see the pairing lights and the LED lights right here. Best part is you can open the lid with just one hand, which I always find very convenient. It's a huge time saver. So right inside you can spot the earbuds. Let's remove them and have a closer look at it. And there you go. So the first thing you notice is the design. They come with the buds and a stem design. You can spot the LED lights on them. Each earbud weighs 5.2 grams, so they're comfortable to be worn for long hours, really nice and compact. Each earbud also comes with 3 microphones which will assist you for phone calls, noise cancellation, transparency mode. You can also spot the JBL branding on the stem. Really nice, very well built earbuds. These earbuds come with IP54 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But I always say, keep it away from water as far as possible. Then it also comes with Bluetooth 5.3, so longer battery life with more stable connectivity. When it comes to codec, we get SPC and AAC codec support. Then Google Fast Pairing is available. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. Once done, it will recommend you to download the JBL Headphones App, and here the JBL Tune Beam 2 should show up. Click and you're ready to use these earbuds in a couple of seconds. More on the app later. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, as you can see, I'm currently wearing both and they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Just make sure you attach the right size of ear tips for a better seal, which eventually means better sound quality. Also, there's a very cool part here. Not everyone is comfortable wearing earphones with these buds design. So you can actually remove these ear tips and wear these earphones. Of course, you won't get that perfect seal, but it's still very comfortable. Also, even without these ear tips, the buds won't fall off. They get a really good grip in your ear. Personally, I prefer always keeping these tips on as they provide a really good seal with better bass. Alright, let's talk about the sound. Well, first you need to know that these earbuds come with 10mm dynamic drivers and provide impressive audio fidelity. The instrument separation is stellar. Crisp vocals with JBL signature pure bass. The bass has just the right amount of thump. It's deep and clear, but doesn't pound on your eardrum. It's tuned to perfection. Talking about perfection, JBL comes with PersoniFi 3.0 that you can access from the app. Basically, it runs a series of hearing tests where it analyzes your hearing ability and customizes the sound profile just for you. Now when you listen to music, you can hear so much more detail, like super high fidelity audio. This is something I highly recommend you must check out. Apart from that, there are more presets like studio, vocals, jazz, plus you can custom set the equalizer as per your preference. Then there's also spatial audio. For those who don't know, it's a technology that creates a 3-dimensional sound field. It feels like sound is coming from different directions and distances. There are 3 modes that you can choose from. Movie, where it provides a super immersive movie watching experience. It feels like you're a part of the movie. Then music. Now this is where you'll feel that all the instruments are playing separately from different directions. It's so cool. And of course, gaming. In gaming, if you're playing a shooting game, it's going to be super immersive. This is something you must check out. Then the JBL Tune Beam 2 also comes with adaptive noise cancellation, which basically means the amount of noise cancellation is turned on as per the environment and the sound you are in. Also, you can increase or decrease the intensity of the ANC as per your preference, which I think is very handy. The best way to test ANC is usually outdoors, so first we wore it in a local train, the place where it's usually noisy. Firstly, it cancelled out almost 80 to 90% of the sound around you. The rumbling is almost gone. It removes most of the unwanted disturbance, giving you crystal clear audio. Also glad to share there was no vacuum effect in ANC mode, which is really important for me. We also tested ANC in multiple scenarios and I would rate it almost 9 out of 10 in the ANC department. Similarly, it also comes with ambient aware, in other words, transparency mode, which also you can turn on from the companion app. It makes you more aware of your surroundings, so it's ideal if you're taking a walk on a busy road or a park. Then there's also talk through. So it's like ambient mode, but vocals are enhanced, making it possible for you to talk to the other person while still wearing the earphones. Really cool. Then we also use these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the JBL Tune Beam 2. This is how you would sound to the other person when on a phone call. Each earbud comes with 3 microphones that cancels out most of the external sound. However, you guys are the best judge. How do you think does this sound? Write down in the comments and share your feedback with us. So JBL has this feature in the app where you can enhance the voice of the opposite person when on a call. You can keep it to natural, you can increase the treble or increase the bass. Similarly, you can also enhance your voice. Keep it to natural, powerful or bright. Truly handy feature. This is something I haven't seen on any earbuds before. Good job JBL. Then these also come with tap gestures. So you can change tracks, you can pause play the music, you can toggle ANC on and off, ambient aware and so much more. Best part, you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately as per your preference. Super handy. Then we also get multi-point connectivity support. Basically, you can connect these earbuds to 2 devices at the same time, like 2 smartphones at the same time or 1 phone and 1 laptop. Now, for example, I'm watching something on my laptop and I receive a call. I can answer the call directly from my phone, and once I end the call, the audio from the laptop will resume on the earbuds. So cool. Then there's also a dedicated video mode that you can enable from the app. This is basically low latency mode. We tested it while watching movies and videos. The lip sync and audio was spot on. There's absolutely no noticeable delay or lag. You can also use the same video mode while gaming, and we had a similar experience. No lag or delay either. If you're into casual gaming, these earbuds will work just fine. Let's have a quick look at the JBL Headphones companion app. You can see JBL Tune Beam 2 here. You can see the image of the earbuds. You can see the battery percentage of each earbud as well as of the case. Further down, you can enable ANC, you can enable ambient mode, talk through, and of course you can also increase and decrease the intensity depending on your preference. Then smart audio and video is basically audio mode and video mode. In video mode, it is low latency mode. Very, very handy. Further down, you can custom set each gesture of each earbud as per your preference. Voice prompts can be chosen in English or multiple languages, choose that. And of course, if you don't want voice prompts, you can disable it directly from here. Also very convenient. Coming to audio option here, you can custom set the equalizer, you can choose presets, you can enable spatial sound from here for movie, for music, for game. Then PersoniFi is basically custom set the music profile as per your hearing ability. Then left and right sound balance, which is also very handy. Just in case the audio source doesn't have the audio balance, you can actually come here and balance it out yourself. Then max volume limiter, sound level optimizer. Then sound settings. Now this is basically when you're on a phone call, you can set the sound type. So you want natural, you want increased treble, you want increased bass. So you can hear the other person more clearly as per your preference. Same is voice setting. This is how you would want yourself to sound to the other person. Natural, powerful, bright. So all these can be chosen directly from here. Voice aware. So when you're on a phone call, you can hear yourself as well. So you can choose that option. Coming to others, this is relaxed mode. So you can actually choose fire, or you can choose moonlight, forest, and you can let this music play in the background when you don't want to listen to music. It's really, really relaxing. Something everyone is going to enjoy when you get these earbuds. Also, you can set a timer to it, which is very handy. Find my buds just in case you lost them. Power saving mode, support options. So here you can factory set the device or look for software updates. Overall, the JBL headphone app is super simple and easy to use. Coming to the battery. So each earbud comes with 65 mAh battery and the case comes with 590 mAh battery, which translates to 10 hours of music playback on a single charge and 30 hours of music playback with the case. And that's with ANC turned on. Without ANC, you get about 48 hours. Extremely impressive. The JBL Tune Beam 2 is solid in the battery department. Alright, final thoughts. If you're looking for earbuds that are comfortable to wear for long hours, you want to enjoy high fidelity audio and is packed with every feature without burning a hole in your pocket, the JBL Tune Beam 2 is an easy recommendation. We also get limited time, 12 plus 12 months of warranty, which is always a plus. The earbuds are already on sale, priced at $5,499. It's available in multiple colors. I'll share the links of all below in the description. If you'd like to buy one or even two, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.